SEO isn't just some buzzword that tech geeks throw around. It's the secret sauce that can skyrocket your business to the front page of Google. Now, I know what you're thinking. SEO? Isn't that just for rankings? But here's the deal. It's way more than that. We're talking about using SEO as a powerhouse tool to not just climb the search ladder, but to genuinely grow your business. Trust me, this isn't just a game changer. It's a whole new game. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your playbook for getting your website to show up in search results when someone types in keywords related to your business. It's not magic, it's strategy. Now, why is SEO a big deal for businesses? Let's break down the facts. First off, 93% of online experiences start with the search engine. That's a massive chunk of potential customers. And here's another stat. 75% of people never scroll past the first page of search results. So if your business isn't showing up there, you're leaving money on the table. But here's where it gets interesting. SEO isn't just about rankings. It's about precision. It's about making sure that your business shows up in front of the right people, the ones who are actively searching for what you offer. It's targeted, which means higher conversion rates. So think of SEO as your business's GPS. It guides potential customers straight to your doorstep without you having to spend big bucks on ads. It's smart, it's efficient, and it's essential for growth. And that, my friend, is why SEO is non-negotiable for businesses. You've got the basics of SEO down. You know it's about visibility and traffic. But let's talk specifics, the kind that can really move the needle for your business. First off, let's talk about long-tail keywords. These are your secret weapon. Instead of generic terms like shoes, you'd target something more specific, like men's running shoes for flat feet. It's niche, and the competition is lower. But here's the kicker. Long-tail keywords account for 70% of all web searches. That's a huge chunk of potential customers actively looking for what you offer. Now, let's talk local SEO. If you're running a brick-and-mortar store or targeting a specific area, this is gold. Google says that 46% of searches have local intent. By optimizing for local keywords and setting up your Google My Business account, you're putting your brand right in front of people who are ready to shop nearby. And here's something often overlooked: user experience, or UX. Google's algorithms are smart. They can tell you if your website is user-friendly. Fast load times, mobile optimization, and high-quality content aren't just good for your visitors. They boost your SEO too. Lastly, let's touch on backlinks. These are like votes of confidence from other websites. The more quality backlinks you have, the more Google trusts you. And trust me, in the world of SEO, trust is currency. As a business owner, you're not just looking to play the SEO game. You're looking to master it, to leverage these specific strategies that can give you an edge over the competition. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Let's talk about some hands-on SEO strategies that can take your business to the next level. Keyword research. Understanding your audience is the first step in crafting an effective SEO strategy. To do this, you need to identify the exact phrases and questions they're typing into search engines. Utilize tools like Google's Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to uncover not just high-volume keywords, but also long-tail and question-based queries. For instance, instead of just targeting running shoes, you might find value in best running shoes for flat feet. By honing in on specific niche terms, you can attract a more targeted audience ready to engage with your content and products. Content creation. Content is the backbone of your SEO strategy. It's not enough just to produce content. It needs to be top-notch and tailored to your audience's needs. Start by addressing the questions uncovered in your keyword research. Create comprehensive guides, how-tos, and informative articles that position you as an authority in your field. For instance, a fitness brand could produce content like the ultimate guide to choosing running shoes, providing value and building trust with potential customers. Consistently publishing high-quality content also signals to search engines that your site is active and valuable. On-page and technical SEO. The nitty-gritty details of your site matter more than you might think. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual pages for specific keywords, ensuring your meta tags, headers, and images are all in check. But beyond that, technical SEO is about ensuring your site is running smoothly. Google takes into account factors like mobile optimization and page load times. For instance, according to Google, as a page load time goes from 1 second to 3 seconds, the probability of bounce increases 32%. So optimize your images, leverage browser caching, and minimize your code to ensure a smooth and fast user experience. Link building. Links are the currency of the internet. When a reputable site links to yours, it's like they're vouching for your credibility. But link building goes beyond just getting as many links as possible. It's about forming strategic partnerships and collaborations with authoritative sites in your niche. For example, a study by Ahrefs found that the average #1 ranking page will also rank in the top 10 for nearly 1,000 other relevant keywords. So focus on creating valuable, link-worthy content and reaching out to relevant publications for guest posting opportunities. User experience. Finally, user experience, UX, is the culmination of all your SEO efforts. A site that ranks well but offers a poor user experience is unlikely to convert visitors. Google's core web vitals are a set of metrics designed to measure how users experience the speed, responsiveness, and visual stability of a page. Ensuring your site is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and quick to load can significantly boost conversions. For instance, a study by TopTal found that a well-designed interface could boost your website's conversion rate by up to 200%. By delving into these strategies with a keen eye for detail and a focus on providing value, you're setting your business up for sustainable growth. We've laid down the groundwork, and now it's time to roll up your sleeves and get into the action. Implementing SEO into your business strategy is like setting up the chessboard to make all the right moves. When it comes to setting up your online presence, you've got options. Hosted platforms like Shopify or Wix handle a lot of the technical stuff for you, making it user-friendly. But sometimes you might hit a wall with customization. On the flip side, self-hosted platforms like WordPress give you full control. It's like owning your house versus renting. More responsibility, but more freedom. A study by BuiltWith found that 39% of all online stores use WooCommerce, a WordPress plugin, showing the popularity of self-hosted solutions. Your website is your digital storefront, and just like a physical store, it needs to be inviting. An aesthetically pleasing design, clear navigation, and mobile responsiveness aren't just nice to have, they're essential. Google's algorithms favor sites that provide a seamless user experience, so investing in a solid design is a no-brainer. And don't forget about leveraging Google's suite of tools, which are like your personal SEO toolkit. Google Search Console, for instance, is a must-have. It helps you understand how Google sees your site, pointing out areas for improvement, and showing how well your pages are performing. It's like having a backstage pass to Google's thought process. And it's free. Integrating SEO into your business strategy isn't just a one-off task. It's about making strategic choices at every step. From the platform you choose to the tools you leverage, each decision sets the stage for your online success. Navigating the world of SEO is like steering a ship. You've set the course, but you need to keep an eye on the compass to ensure you're heading in the right direction. So, how do you measure if all this SEO hustle is paying off? Metrics like organic traffic, keyword rankings, and visibility are your North Star. They tell you if more people are finding you and if you're showing up in their searches. But here's the real deal. It's not just about numbers on a screen. It's about what those numbers mean for your bottom line. Are your SEO efforts translating into business growth and revenue? That's the million-dollar question. If your organic traffic is up and those visitors are converting into customers, you're on the right track. It's like seeing footprints in the sand leading right to your store. You've made the path clear, and they followed it. So measuring SEO success isn't just ticking boxes. It's about connecting the dots between your efforts and the cash register ringing. It's about return on investment. And trust me, when done right, the ROI on SEO can be game-changing. You've got the SEO playbook. Now it's game time. Prioritize user experience, set up analytics, and use every SEO tool in your arsenal. It's about working smart, not hard. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel.